In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer my contacts to my new Samsung phone. Let's begin with your old phone. First, open the Settings app. The Settings app is like the control center of your device. This is where you manage all the important functions of your phone. Once you're in Settings, look for the option that says Accounts. Tap on Accounts to proceed. This section allows you to manage the various accounts linked to your phone. Now, select the option labeled Manage Account. This step is crucial because it lets you access and modify specific settings for each account. From there, click on Google Account. This is the account that holds your contacts, and accessing it is key to transferring them smoothly. Next up, tap on Sync Account. Syncing is important because it ensures that all your data, including contacts, is up to date across all your devices. Here you will see various data types that you can sync. Focus on the Contacts option and toggle it to On. This action will start synchronizing your contacts with your Google account. Now that you've set up the sync on your old phone, let's move to your new Samsung phone. The first thing you need to do is sign in with the same Google account you used on your old phone. This step is vital as it links your new phone to the same data and services you used before. If you haven't set up your phone yet, you can add the account through the Settings app. Once signed in, navigate to your new phone's Settings app again. Look for the Accounts section and enter it. From there, find your Google account listed and select it. This will bring up the sync options for your account on your new device. After that, make sure to turn on Contact Sync. This action ensures that your phone starts receiving the contacts stored in your Google account. By enabling this, you're instructing your new phone to keep your contacts updated just like your old phone did. Now, with everything set up, you just need to wait for a moment. Your contacts will begin to appear in the Contacts app on your new Samsung phone. This process might take a few minutes depending on the number of contacts you have, but rest assured they will show up and you will see them appear. Transferring contacts this way is not only straightforward, but also highly secure. Using your Google account for syncing ensures that your contacts are backed up and can be restored anytime. This method saves you a lot of time and prevents data loss in case you switch devices in the future. Now that you have successfully transferred your contacts, you can enjoy using your new Samsung phone with all your important connections intact. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, your contacts are now safely on your new device. Remember, keeping your accounts synced not only helps transfer contacts, but also keeps them updated across multiple devices. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy your new Samsung phone.